So today I'm going to be doing a bit of a try on kind of fashion video. I don't really do those that often, but I've actually been losing a bit of weight recently. I've lost about 46-ish, 47-ish pounds within about the last 8 months or so. So I've been really proud of myself that I am losing weight and I feel better and just changing my diet and stuff. I've completely stopped drinking soda, which is a lot for me because I used to literally drink maybe like 6 Diet Cokes a day, and I'm not joking. So about a year ago I did one of my fashion videos where I was trying on some clothes that I'd bought, and on that video one of my subscribers had recommended a place to me because I really love the like pleated style, like knife pleat skirts and like box pleat skirts, kind of like the uniform schoolgirl kind of style-ish skirt. I really like the look of those, but they are next to impossible to find in a true like plus size until one of my subscribers recommended a website to me, and I wanted to share this one with you guys as well because if you are plus size and you really like this style too and you want to find clothing that will actually fit you, I think you'll really enjoy this. So the person who recommended this to me is Lang Bell's channel. That's who recommended to me, so thank you so much because I honestly love you so much. So the website that she recommended to me is called Pink Plastic. I think it's shoppinkplastic.com. I'll have to double check that one. So whenever she sent that to me, I of course checked it out and my jaw dropped because not only did they have the exact style of skirts I was looking for, they had them in so many different colors and in so many true plus size sizes. Like they go all the way from like an extra small to like I think maybe a 3XL. So I went crazy and I bought 5 of these skirts. I wish I would have gotten a couple more because they have so many different colors. They have like patterned ones, kind of like a tartan or like a checkered kind of style. They've got solid color ones. I got 5 different skirts and I wanted to share them with you guys. One thing I did want to mention though that really kind of irritated me a lot with this shop was that the shipping took forever, and I'm not quite sure if it was just a fluke or something wrong with my order, but it took a long time to get to me. I placed my order on February 13th and I got my order on March 16th. So that is over an entire month it took for me to get my package, and it wasn't just like the shipping took forever. To be honest, I'm not quite sure what exactly happened. So I'm gonna get into the clothing aspect of this video. I'm gonna try these on and show you what they look like. I did just little videos on my phone and stuff really quickly just to kind of show you what the items looked like, but I'm gonna get started now and share with you guys all the items I got and whether I'd recommend them or not. And like I said, I got all of these in an extra large because typically if I was just like buying my size right now, I'd probably get a 2XL. But since I have been losing weight and I see myself continuing to lose weight, I didn't want to get one that was my size now and then have it be too big for me. So I went down a size and ended up getting an extra large. And when I tried these on, you can probably tell they are just the tiniest bit little. I can still wear them and like button them and zip them up and everything, and I can wear them. But like I feel like if I lose just a few more pounds, they would be a little bit more comfortable for me. So I do think that they're just a little bit small on me for now, but since I plan on losing more weight, I feel like they're gonna be like the perfect size for me. And also forgive me, I have not steamed these or ironed them yet. I just took them out of the bag and I was trying them on in the mirror. So if you see all the little wrinkles and creases, it's just because I didn't have time to steam them yet. Of course I would, you know, make it look nice before I went out and actually wore them. Alright, so this is the first one that I got. This one is the Dionne Skirt and it is in the tan color. So it is the kind of like khaki tan with the black, red, and white kind of tartan plaid kind of pattern to it. So this one is the extra large. I'll have to insert like a better clip so you can see these skirts, but they're all these like knife pleat skirts, which I love. They're so beautiful. And all of these skirts are unlined. So if I show you the inside of them here, it's just the skirt. There's that one layer of this kind of fabric. So it's not double lined, which I wish it was because I feel like double lined skirts just, number one, they're a little thicker and a little bit more substantial. So I will show you guys what this one looks like on. This is the first one. This one is the kind of like tan, like tartan kind of pattern, like the little checkered pattern, whatever this is called. It reminds me of the Burberry pattern, but it's just the tan one with like the red and the black and the white. So here is the skirt up close. If this was any smaller, I don't think I'd be able to wear it, and I could wear this and I feel like okay about it, but I think if I lost just like a few more pounds and stuff, it'd fit a little bit more comfortably. What I got is one of the Dionne ones. Again, this has the plaid kind of pattern to it, and this one is just the white plaid, so it's kind of got like a tan, black, and white pattern to it. And again, I really love how this looks. So here is how this one looks on.
and this is the white and black checkered one. This one is the same exact size. It just feels like the tiniest bit like smaller. So there's just a little bit of a, I guess, inconsistent size between them, but this one's just a tiny bit smaller, but I am losing weight, so I think it'll be just fine. So that is the white and black one. And one thing I wanted to point out, this one is the white and black checkered kind of patterned one. And this is the only one that actually had any type of like manufacturing type of label in it at all. But this is the only one that has that. None of the other 4 skirts has this. So maybe they're just manufactured differently, but they are made in China. And you can see this is the label, but that's only in one of these skirts that I ordered, just in case anyone is wondering.
So the next one I got is called the Tai pleated skirt, and this one is in the color tan. This one's just like the solid tan. It kind of reminds me of like almost like Girl Scouts, but I actually really love it. It kind of also has like a uniform kind of vibe to it, but I love these skirts so much, and I feel like they're just so like preppy and cute, and I love them. So this is what the tan one looks like on.
I need to like steam it a bit because I just took it out of the bag. And again, these are unlined, so it's just this single layer of fabric. So it's a little bit thinner, but overall I don't mind it.
And then I got another one. This is again the Tai. I think all the Tai ones are the like solid colored ones, and I think that the Dionne ones are all the like plaid ones. I'm not positive about that, but I think that might be how they categorize them, and then they have obviously different colors of them. So next I got this beautiful baby blue one. I thought that this was so pretty, and one that I just, oh, I love this color so much. It even goes with my nails. It's so pretty. So this is again another one of these solid colored ones, so I'll show that one on.
This is the blue one. Again, I need to steam it because there's like that little crease there, but this one might be my favorite. I love this color. It's so cute, and oh, I really love this one. This one's probably my favorite.
And again, I got another solid one. So this one is the Tai one. This one is just a black one. I thought that it would be so nice just to have a simple, like classic black pleated skirt. So that is that one.
And finally is the black one. I had to get like just one simple black one just to go with it because I love this style of skirt. Again, I need to steam it, but overall, this is how the black one looks.
And they have so many more colors that I want to get. If they had like a straight up baby pink one, I'll have to see if they do. I feel like they didn't, because if they had like a solid baby pink one, I would have bought it. But they have so many. They've got like the baby blue, they have the white checkered one that I showed, they have a pink and black one. I really wanted that one. Is also a checkered one, but I think they were either out of my size of that one. So I skipped on that one. They have like a lavender solid one. They also have this another one I really wanted. If I place another order, I'm gonna get more of these skirts. I'm definitely want to get this one. It's called the Tiffany plaid skirt. This one is like a like yellow and green and like turquoisey blue kind of colored one. I feel like that one is so pretty. So I want that one as well. Honestly, I kind of want all of these. They have some more. They've got like a red plaid one, a purple plaid one. They've got the solid color ones as well. They have a peach colored solid one. That one's really pretty. I want that one too. Then they also have white. I thought about getting the white, but number one, I'm just so dangerous with white colors. And of course, I already have one of the white tennis skirts, but that one has like the little black band across the bottom, which is also really cute. But I had to reel it back in somewhere, and since I already had a white one, I decided not to get that one. But I honestly do want them all. They've got one called the Amber. That one's a little bit more of a kind of like a rainbowy type of plaid one as well. So thank you so much for telling me about this website. I was very happy because, like I said, it's impossible to find these skirts and to find them in true authentic plus sizes. A lot of the times you can actually find them like on a lot of Asian websites, and they'll be listed as like a 3XL or a 2XL or something like that, but they are in Asian sizes, not in like standard American sizes, which is a lot bigger than Asian sizes. And like a 2XL in an Asian size is probably like a medium in an American size. So it's really frustrating when you think you found a plus size one and it's actually just an Asian size one, which is extremely small. So all of the skirts that I got were $31 a piece. Aside from one of these, I don't know why. One of them was $35. The rest of them are all $31, which I think is not a bad price for these. I wish they were a little bit, just a little bit less expensive, maybe like $25 a piece, because they are just very standard. Like they're not an extremely well made. I feel like they could definitely be a little bit thicker, or at least have like a lining to them to kind of make it more of a structured skirt. $31 for the skirts. Like, overall, I was happy to pay that, because like just to even find plus size skirts I was happy with. But like quality wise, I feel like $25 made sense like for each of these skirts. They just kind of feel more like a $25 skirt than like a $35 skirt to me. So in total, I spent $159 on skirts, which sounds like a lot, but I mean, I was happy to pay for that. And the shipping that I paid was $11.85, which is a little high up there for shipping. So one thing that really actually bothered me a lot whenever I placed my order is I placed my order on February 13th and I did not get my order until March 16th. So over an entire month it took for me to get my order. And it's not just like it was shipped and it just took a long time to ship because this was coming from inside the United States and I obviously live inside the United States, so it was a domestic order. So I placed my order and about 2 weeks goes by and I don't get any notification that my order has shipped yet, which I think is kind of a long time for like a processing time. I even went to their website and this is what it says on their website. It says, as a small business, please understand that our processing and shipping and handling time frame will take longer than a big corporate businesses. Of course, I, agree with that sometimes, but also not. I get that they're like a small company and stuff. And then they say, we can only begin processing your order after receiving your payment and verifying it. And of course, there was nothing wrong with my payment or anything. And next it says, it generally takes 1 to 2 weeks, usually no more than 5 days to process standard shipping and 4 to 6 weeks for pre-ordered items, which of course none of my items that I ordered were pre-order items at all. So nothing like that applied to mine. And then it just says, after processing, we will ship your order as soon as we are able based off of what kind of shipping you paid for and during checkout and stuff like that. So they had mentioned like 1 to 2 weeks for processing, and of course, those 1 to 2 weeks go by and I still don't hear anything from them about my order shipping out, so I started to get a little worried. So on February 27th, I decided to email their customer service, kind of get an idea, hey, like my order has not shipped yet, do you know when it's gonna be sent out? So I sent that on February 27th. Then I get, of course, an automated response immediately saying, oh, we'll get back to you in 24 to 48 hours, whatever. So finally on March 4th, that's like what, 4 or 5 days later, I get an email back. They just said, hello, thanks for the email. Your order is going out this week. We are also sending it through express shipping on us. So it will deliver around the same time if we sent it earlier through standard mail. And then if you have any questions, let us know. So I was like, okay, good. First I thought, did they forget about my order? Did it get shipped and nobody sent an email notification or something like that? I just didn't know. And then I'm like, okay, it's cool. It's been but like 2.5 weeks, but it'll be okay. And especially since they said that they would be shipping out within this week. But I waited and I still didn't get any notification at all. So another 8 days go by without any notification. I decide, I'm gonna email them again because they said my order was gonna be going out within that week. That week had obviously come and gone and I still had no notification. So then on March 12th, that's about what, 8-ish days later, I emailed them again and I said, hey, I still have not received any notification about my email or about my order going out. And it's been, about a week since you said you would ship it, which has been 2 weeks since I placed the order. So then we're going on about 3 weeks at that point. And I just said, hi, I still haven't received any notification about my order shipping and I placed my order a month ago. Then the next day on March 13th, finally I get a shipping notification that my order is going to be shipped out. I got the, the UPS tracking number and everything like that. And then I actually received the package on March 16th, which was a Saturday. Honestly, I'm just really hoping it was some kind of like fluke that maybe they either forgot my order or they were like waiting for stuff to come in. If that was the case, if they would have just sent me an email saying like, hey, we're sorry, but your order's gonna be back ordered for a little bit, just to let you know, that would have been fine if that was the case. I'm not sure if they just forgot about the order or what, but either way, it took an entire month for it to get to me, which is very frustrating because I spent a lot of money on their website. After all taxes and shipping and everything, I ended up spending about $180 or so on their website. And when you spend a lot of money on a website, you don't expect to have to wait so much long and really have to kind of go through the hassle of trying to track down if your package has sent or not. But that was just one thing that really irked me with shopping with Pink Plastic. I don't know if that was just a one-off thing or, if that's how their shipping usually is. I honestly don't know. And yeah, so unfortunately, I wish the shipping process would have been a little bit better and it kind of jaded me a bit. Now, I'm really happy with my skirts. I do have to say, quality-wise, I feel like the skirts are not bad. I feel like they're not the greatest quality ever, but they're not like trash at all. Would I buy from Pink Plastic again? I mean, honestly, just because there's not any other options. Like if there were, a million other stores that sold these in real plus size sizes, I probably wouldn't buy from them again just because that shipping really kind of irritated me, especially since trying to contact them, it took a few days for them to respond. And then of course they said they were gonna ship it within the week, and then a whole nother week and a half goes by and they still hadn't shipped it. If my shipping dilemma was more of just a fluke, then I would totally buy from them again. But if that's gonna be like a constant reoccurring type of process, then I probably wouldn't buy from them again just because the shipping was a little bit of a hassle. But overall, that's just kind of my thoughts on this website. Have you guys ever shopped from them before? Do you plan on buying anything from them? I think that they've got a lot of really cute kind of out there stuff. My cat is freaking out. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any other plus size online shops that you recommend for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.